Welcome back to making a UE5 tutorial every day for the rest of my life. It's day 18 now. We are flying through the days. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make some water. But this is very, very simple water. It's water that you can just drag in. And to begin with, you're going to want to go to Edit. You're going to want to go to Plugins and just type in water. And it comes up with this water experimental. Just tick the box, and it will ask you to restart the engine. And if you click on this little down button on the add asset and just search for water, you should have all these options that you can pick. For this, I'm just going to go for water body custom, and drag it in. Now it is incredibly small at this point in time. I've made this lovely little moat. So what we're going to do is we're going to just go to the scale, and we're just going to set this to 100 and 100. And as you can see, it's automatically filled up my area with some beautiful water. But I don't quite like how it looks. It's too the opacity is too high on it for me. So what I'm going to do is you can come down, I believe, somewhere. It's on here, and I just need to remember which one to change. It's this water material here. You've got the custom mesh field here. Double click on that and it should open it up for you. And if I just drag it down here a little bit so we can still see it. If I search for absorption and we take this one to true, we can open this up. And you've got these three values here. If I drag this down to maybe about a 1, makes it nice and dark. You can lighten it a little bit if you want to, but I feel that closer to 1 is a little bit better. You get some better edges, and you get a bit of a deeper, darker water. It kind of depends on what you feel for your area. I mean, like for a moat, you probably kind of want that a little bit higher, to be honest, maybe about 3, because I do feel like you would be able to see a bit easier to the bottom. Depends on how murky you want it, right? But yeah, it's super simple, easy to use water that costs you nothing. It's just a plug-in and away you go, and you can make your scenes look a hell of a lot better with a little bit of added water. I mean, just coming here, you've got you can have your trees in there if you want to. You can make yourselves like a boggy water. Just having like the trees and the water and stuff just adds another depth to your games. So hopefully you found this useful. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you're new here, like, subscribe, leave a comment with any tutorials you'd like to see in the next videos, and I will see you tomorrow.